can see there behind. I can check behind.
Yeah.
I can check inside, that side. One recording is enough. I can choose the position later.
Wala naman.
What?
Nawala.
I don't need this one.
I want to watch. I don't know how to use. Jila, ako na yan niya.
Ito masyado yung madami.
Ito ang bago na kwara gaya mo. Asa na yung maliit na iten? Yung maliit. Yung maliit na irabararab na no ah. Wala, sira na. We pick and we sell.
Yan o dati. Baka kaya sinasabat na lang.
Hindi pa na
Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, 2025, October 25, we are going to celebrate our younger son Steven's birthday in Manaoag at Manaoag Hotel. Today, the climate was fantastic. At the same time, I'm using my brand new Insta365. This is the first time I'm using this camera. There is going to be a lot of trial and error while I'm learning this new device. Since the weather was very nice, I'm really happy about the video quality.
Right now, we are stopped here. Buy some peachy over here. My son over there, he really love it. So we are going to buy right now. It's almost like 12 o'clock. Steven's birthday. We are going to celebrate in Manaoag. Look at the place.
Manaoag, approximately 70 km away from my home. It took 2.5 hours car drive. In between, we make a couple of quick stops to buy something.
Okay.
In between, we pass by a beautiful Kamantiles bridge, Urdaneta city, Pangasinan. Lucky enough, my 360 camera captured the beauty of this place. At 3 p.m. we arrived at Manaoag Hotel. This hotel have a decent parking spot. At least you can park 20 cars in front of the hotel. The reception was very huge and fantastic. My 9-year-old son was a little bit naughty and he was very playful also. This hotel located only 100 meters away from the famous Manaoag church. The hotel was very secure and well established. Only missed opportunity, there is no swimming pool. We came here 5 adults, 3 kids. We hire 3 rooms. Every room comes with a 2 packs breakfast free. Because of that, we have to pay 2 children extra for the breakfast. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Since Christmas is around the corner, they already built the Christmas tree. It looks so fantastic. This is the first photo I took from the new camera. This hotel have a 2 lift, but I'm using my brand new camera, so I took the steps to go to my room and start videoing it.
So we are 16. There's a 16 here. 1 to 9.
This hotel absolutely maintained very well.
Yeah, this look like double bedroom over here.
If you are a coffee lover, you have amenities in the room, so you can make your own coffee.
That's it. How about that?
Your head right. It's working. Right now it's empty.
Steven having a good time over here. Okay. How about that? 4,000 pesos per day. 4,000 pesos per day. This is how it look like. Let's see the bathroom. Wow. Look at that. It's fantastic. The amenities. I buy 4. Very spacious. Look at that. Fantastic. Has shower, hot water. Your towel. Check it out. Hot water, cold water. Plug point. Wow.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.
Very good mattress. Look at that. It's fantastic. Yeah.